Y'all, in my kitchen, sometimes I am guilty of not being brave enough to experiment with different spices. Well, today I'm cooking with a couple, y'all, that really knows how to spice up their dishes. Oh my gosh, no, it's delicious. Now, I'm fixing to put y'all to work.
All right.
I had a feeling that y'all were gonna be doing a Moroccan strong flavored dish, so I chose to make couscous. So if y'all would just grab everything right there that we're gonna need. I've got 1.5 cups of water boiled, and I'm gonna add 1 cup of couscous.
Tiniest pasta in the world.
The tiniest pasta in the world. So I'm just gonna give that a stir, cut off my fire, and it'll be ready in what, 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes?
Isn't that easy?
So we're gonna just crumble up our feta.
Okay.
And Mike, if you would quarter the tomatoes for me. We'll need about 1 cup of cherry tomatoes.
All right.
We've got some calamari olives, and we can just slice those up. And we'll need about 5 tablespoons of those. So, Mike, tell me what we can do to literally spice up this dish.
We can use an organic Ceylon cinnamon. It comes from the little piece that Janet broke up earlier. Mm-hmm. And it's going to have a really spicy cinnamon flavor and a little bit of citrusy undertones.
I think that's enough tomatoes. Would you chop us some parsley, please?
Great, I can do that.
Okay. And if you would toss in about 4 ounces of feta.
Okay.
And then we can make the little dressing. I'm going to measure out a couple of tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
I think I got this all mixed up nice for you. How's that look?
Okay, that looks great. Now I'm just gonna pour in our dressing. And if you would toss that around.
Got it. Beautiful.
Some tomatoes.
A little color. Now I'm gonna add the cinnamon. Is that enough, babe, or a little more?
No, it should be good.
Oh man, that smells nice.
How's that look?
Pretty color. Why don't you put it in that beautiful little yellow bowl?
There you go.
Ooh,
So that's pretty. And what a beautiful salad to go with this hot couple's Moroccan dish.
All right, so a little couscous for everyone.
Uh-huh.
Excuse my left hand here.
Oh, that's all right. And look, I'm going to gather that little couscous that was trying to goose its way off my plate. This is all so different from what I'm used to eating and serving out of my kitchen.
All right. Couscous is lovely.
And the cinnamon, y'all are right.
Yeah.
Yes.
The cinnamon is
It's going to add a little bit to it.
really nice. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.